Hello beautiful people and welcome back to Life of a Dreamer. My name is Darian Wright. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. So today I am back with a makeup look for you guys. It has been a minute since I've done a makeup video. Oh my gosh. But I really wanted to come with a fall look for you guys, inspired by the beautiful leaves and all the changing colors of fall. So if you guys want to find out how I got this look, stay tuned. So we're going to start off with the brows as usual, and actually I had to retire my Wet n Wild pencil, y'all. Y'all know my Simmer Brown Now is my favorite eyebrow pencil, but I found something even better. It's from the same company as the Perfect Brow Tinted Brow Mascara, and honestly, since using this pencil from that same company, I don't even need to use that tinted brow mascara anymore to kind of hold my brows in place. This pencil is perfect. As you can see, I get like that nice natural like fluffy brow. It's more of a natural brown color as well. The Simmer Brown Now was a little too like perfect brown. This is more of kind of like my the roots of my hair. It matches like perfectly and it just gives like a natural like fluffy brow. I love it, y'all. I'll try to link it down below for you guys. It's kind of hard to link things from a beauty supply store. Sometimes they're not available online, but if I can find it for you guys, I will definitely link it down below. Next, I'm going to go in with my E.L.F. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the color Medium Beige just to kind of prime my lids. And I'm just going to set that with my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color 330 Toffee. I'm going to go in with this really pretty like mustardy color called Caramelize from this Makeup Revolution palette. It's the Creme Brulée palette, and I found this a few weeks ago at Marshall's for $5.99, and this actual palette was the only one in the store, and unfortunately one of the colors was like broken up, but they gave it to me for a discount, so it ended up being like $3.99 instead of $5.99, which is really great. I wish that color hadn't broken. It was a really pretty like shimmery purple color, but anyway, the colors were so pretty I had to have this palette. I love me some Makeup Revolution anyway. Y'all know that I use a lot of their products, so I'm definitely going to be using this for a lot of fall looks, especially this one today with a few other palettes as well. Next, I'm going to go in with this deep orange color called Flambe. And I'm going to take that on the middle of my lid and blend that in with the yellow. Next, I'm going to go into my Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice palette into this red color Saffron. And I'm going to take that on my outer corner, my outer crease. With that same brush, I'm going to go into my RK by Kiss Topaz Nudes palette and go into this deep chocolate color and focus on the outer crease, the outer corner. And I'm really just going to keep going between the red and the brown and kind of blending that out so that it's a seamless gradient. And I'm also going to pull those colors down to my lower lash line a little bit. I'm going to go into my inner corner with the color Demerara. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I'm going to go into my inner corner with this gold color to really make that mustard pop. They're so pretty. I'm just going to blend that out. I'm going to go in with this kind of rust orange color to blend out my crease and kind of act as a transition color. And then I'm going to go in with this really pale color in the middle just to kind of highlight under my brow bone. Now, I didn't get rid of all my Wet n Wild Simmer Brown Now pencils. I still like to line my lid with that color, and I feel like black will be a little bit too harsh for this look, so I'm going to go in with that dark brown and line my lid and connect that to the brown on the outer crease. I'm going to take a little liner brush and kind of smudge that out so that it softens that line. Now I'm going to go in with that brown again and kind of deepen up that outer corner and blend it in with the eyeliner. That brown wasn't getting as dark as I wanted it, so I also took a little bit of black eyeshadow and kind of blended that in as well. The eyes are finished for now, and now I'm going to go in and work on this base. First, I'm going to start off with my E.L.F. Poreless Putty Primer and put that just where my pores tend to kind of step out a little bit more than they should. Next, I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color Toffee or number 330 and just kind of set around my whole face. And I've just been doing this lately. It really kind of just helps the foundation stick better, especially with wearing all these masks and stuff. And it works really good if you have a non-transfer foundation. And that just kind of like mats out the whole face and gives it a nice foundation. Next, I'm going to go in and kind of conceal any dark spots or unevenness with my E.L.F 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the color Deep Chestnut. And that's just going to kind of even out my skin tone before the foundation. And this stuff kind of dries a little bit fast, so you got to work with it so that it doesn't dry before you get to blend it out. Next, I'm going to go in with a little bit of my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color 334 Warm Sun, just to kind of even all that out and give us just a good base. And honestly, what I've just been doing lately, if I'm not like running errands or anything since this whole pandemic, I really just kind of spot touch up and just kind of even out my skin with the E.L.F concealer. Like, that's pretty much all I need these days. Not trying to brag or anything since I got my skin together, but honestly, I don't wear a lot of foundation, like I said, because of the whole mask thing. It's just kind of more of a hassle these days. And it just feels icky to have so much like makeup on your mask at the end of the day. Ugh. Next, to brighten my under eye area, I'm going to go in with my E.L.F 16-Hour Concealer in the color Deep Olive. And I'm also going to take a little bit of Deep Caramel just to brighten it up just a touch. Next, I'm going to go in with the darkest color in this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette in the color Caramel Toffee or Caramel Toffee. And this is like a really soft contour color for me. So I just kind of start with this and then I'll build up with another contour. And like I said, with the mask and everything, I haven't really been doing like liquid or cream contour and then the powder on top. That's just like too many products, honestly. I've just been doing a lot of powders and basically just using my concealer as foundation. And I just remembered I forgot to set my concealer because my camera ran out of space on my memory card. So I am going to set that real quick. Oh my god. I just moved on the contour like I had set my under eyes. Jesus. So I'm just gonna let that sit a little bit before I wipe it off. Oh my god, my memory card filling up really threw me off. So to set that concealer area, I like to use a mixture of 2 loose powders. I like to go on with my Maybelline Fit Me number 30 in medium deep, and also my Makeup Revolution loose baking powder in banana deep. I love both of these powders so much. Oh my god, but this one by itself is a little bit too red and this one is way too yellow, so I like to mix equal parts of both of them and it just comes out to the perfect color for me. Now to finish contouring, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of a darker powder. I'm gonna go in with my Black Radiance Soft Focus Finishing Powder in the color Milk Chocolate Finish, and this is a bit darker. It's just gonna help kind of intensify that contour. This is like kind of a light everyday contour, and this is just gonna darken that up a bit. Next, I'm going to go in with my Profusion Cosmetics Blush 2 palette, and I'm going to go in with the mixture of Captivate and Lovejoy. And to blend this all together, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color 330 Toffee and just kind of blend that all in together. Now we're going to finish the eyes, and since this look is inspired by the leaves of fall, I wanted to go in my waterline or my lower lash line with this bright green Wet n Wild pencil. And I'm so sorry guys, I do not know the name of this pencil because the name of it has been wiped off, but I'm going to go in my lower lash line with this green, and it's just really going to make this look pop. Next, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Pumped Up Colossal Volume Express Mascara, and y'all know I love the Colossal Volume Express Mascara, and this one is like even better, so I'm super excited to try this one out. I love this brush. Oh my god, it feels amazing, and it's really separating my lashes. Wow. Yeah, I don't think I'm ever going back to any other mascara. Wow, oh my god, and this is technically just one coat. Wow. I'm trying to debate on if I'm even gonna put on false lashes. Wow. This is crazy. I don't know how long this has been out or if it's new. I don't know, but I just found it. Wow. Do y'all see this? This is crazy. No mascara, mascara. Wow. I ended up putting on lashes off camera, and I'm glad I did. It really completes the look. I have those lashes linked down below for you guys as well. And now we're gonna go in and finish up with the lip. I'm gonna line my outer lips with my RK by Kiss lip liner in the color dark brown. And then I'm going to fill in the rest of my lip with this copper lip liner and just kind of blend that out. And last, I'm going to go on top of that with my Nika K lipstick in the color Umber and blend that all together. And since I want that copper to pop in my lip just a little bit more to go more with the eyes, I'm going to go in with this Liquid Catsuit matte lipstick by Wet n Wild in the color Coral Corruption. So that is it, you guys. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun creating this look for you guys. Fall is my all-time favorite season. I love the colors. Everything is just so cozy. It's sweater weather. It's just everything. I love fall. It's so amazing. I had a lot of fun creating this look for you guys because I love the colors of fall. So this fall leaf inspired look was so much fun, even though I had a ton of technical difficulties filming this video because we are right in the middle of Mercury retrograde. So of course I forgot to mention my highlight, but of course everything will be linked down below for you guys. I don't know what happened with some of these clips, so everything will be linked down below if I didn't mention anything in this video. Of course, I am now using affiliate links, so if you buy anything from my link, you will be helping me out so much if you are gracious enough to do so. But thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did enjoy this, don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Y'all follow me on my social media because I love interacting with you guys on different platforms other than YouTube as well. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today, and stay tuned for the next one. Bye.